Today I will be creating a classic brown eye look. For more videos like that, stay tuned by subscribing. For that, at first I need to prime my eyes. For priming my eyes, I am using a concealer. You can also use eyeshadow primer. I am using LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Natural. Here I am using a flat eyeshadow brush to spread the concealer. After that, I will blend the concealer a little bit using a beauty blender. Here you can also use your finger. Then to set the concealer, I will be using a loose powder. Here I am using W7 Banana Dream Loose Powder. You can also use a compact powder. For my translation shade, I will use this color from this palette named Gorgeous Me. It's a palette by Beauty Glaze. Then I will use this color from the same palette. I will mainly apply the color on the outer V of my eyes. I will add multiple layers to build the color. After that, I will mix these two shades and apply it on the outer V of my eyes. I will make the outer V look darker as possible as I am creating a smoky eye look. To make it a little bit more smokier, I will use this black shade from Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. The brush I am using is a flat brush. I will apply it like an eyeliner. With the help of a small blending brush, I will take this black color again and blend it. I will use the same brush I have used to apply the transition shade to blend everything together. I will apply this silver shade on the inner part of my eyes. Here I am using a pencil brush. I will blend this color well. I have added multiple layers to build the color. Then I will use this olive type of golden shade. I will simply use my finger to apply it on the middle part of my eye. Then I will blend it using the same brush. I will use the same golden shade on my lower lash line also. I will apply a little bit of black shade using an eyebrow brush. Then I will apply my eyeliner off camera. To make it more darker, I am using a black pencil. It's a black pencil by Lakme. It's called Iconic Eyes. For my waterline, I will be using a Nude pencil. I won't make it really bold. After that, I will curl my lashes. Then for my mascara, I am using Bob mascara. I will apply it firmly. For highlighting my brow bone and also my inner corner, I will mix this golden shade and silver shade and use a pencil brush to apply it. Then I will simply wear my false lashes and the look is done for today. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.